Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the matchmaking failed error that keeps you from enjoying your game. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into some tips and tricks to solve the issue. Check the server status. Head over to the developer's social media accounts or official website to see if the servers are down. Step 2. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure your signal is strong. Restart your router if needed or switch to a wired connection for a more stable experience. Sometimes the game might still be running in the background. Open your task manager, find the game and force close it. This might sound strange, but some players have reported that completing the tutorial resolved the error. It's worth a shot. If you're playing on Steam, head to your library, right-click on the game, select Properties, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you have tried these steps, relaunch the game and see if the issue is resolved. This is for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.